What is good, YouTube? What is going on? Thanks, family. Danny here, back again with another one for you guys. Today I have the Openledger, and most importantly, the Netmarble's very own Marblex massive treasury allocation into the company, into the Open token, the native token of Openledger. So let's jump into it and check out what Openledger's been up to in 2025. Let's go. Boom, here we are on Openledger, the next gen blockchain network for AI. And I'll tell you what, guys, it's exciting times, because Openledger is the AI blockchain that's actually unlocking liquidity to monetize data, models, and agents. And this is literally the first time we are seeing this. It is the first and only blockchain purpose built for this purpose. And as research and engineering goes, they have a driven AI startup that's pioneering the future of decentralized AI, and they focus on building specialized AI models and a robust trust framework. It is absolutely incredible. It is absolutely unique. And obviously their proof of attribution mechanism that's based on Stanford research, it's enabling verifiable ownership and rewards for data contribution, and it is fostering a collaborative AI development, which is absolutely incredible. And it is combining cutting edge innovation with decentralized principles, and they are absolutely enabling the next generation of specialized AI agents and apps to be smarter and to be better altogether in the crypto space. Now, Openledger, like I said, unlocking liquidity to monetize data, models, and agents. The Openledger chain is the foundation for trusted AI right now in this space. It is purpose-built for AI. It has an AI liquidity layer, which is going to allow data, models, and agents no longer having static assets and making them more liquid and composable. And it's got EVM compatibility, of course. The infrastructure is there, following Ethereum standards on the ERC, and connecting your wallets, smart contracts, and L2 ecosystems with zero friction, with proof of attribution, ensuring all contributions are traceable, verifiable, and fairly rewarded with full transparency. Now, if you're wondering who this is made for, it is built for on-chain markets, millions of transactions, thousands of wallets and smart contracts, and the model data net. It looks absolutely beautiful. As you guys can see, you can actually go through right here and kind of have a look at the test net of how it actually looks on your back end, basically. And it's got the Open token, which is the heart of this new economy that they're putting together. And obviously the much anticipated Open token that went live just last month. It did not just go live. It did not go live quietly. It absolutely made history. Open has been now listed on more than 23 leading global exchanges, including giants like Binance, Upbit, Bitum, Kraken, and so many other big names in the space. That puts Openledger among the very few AI blockchain projects to break into top tier 1 exchanges right from day one. That's absolutely massive. And the numbers, well, boys, they speak for themselves. On its very first day of trading, Open surged past $1.8 billion valuation, and that is not just momentum, that is validation from the global market that we're seeing right now, from the people that believe in this project. And the analysis expect this valuation to actually climb even higher. But let's zoom out for a second, guys. All right, here's the part that gets everybody, including myself, very excited. It's Marblex, the blockchain powerhouse of Korea's $10 billion plus gaming titan, Netmarble. They have just acquired Open token. And I'll tell you what, this is not just another strategic move, you guys. This is the first time a publicly traded Korean giant has taken a position in digital assets. And of course, they chose Openledger to do it. So let's just let that sink in for a second. This is not Bitcoin. This is not Ethereum. This is not stable coins. This is Open token we're talking about. They picked Open token. And why they did this? because of course it is not just another blockchain, it is not just another token or another project, it is the AI liquidity layer, the trust engine for data provenance, the rails for the next $1 trillion AI economy. All right, and with Openledger's proof of attribution and modular AI stack, Marblex isn't just holding a token, they're buying a front row seat to the future of decentralized intelligence. So after BNB, after XRP, after BTE, Open isn't just next, it's inevitable. Not just that, Openledger's Open token, the buyback program, has actually continued to build more momentum, driven by enterprise revenue and clear focus on strengthening network alignment and ecosystem sustainability. The initiative highlights of the project's commitment to reinforcing liquidity and long-term value across its decentralized AI infrastructure has already been there. In its last round, you guys, an additional 0.4% of total Open network, the Open token supply, was actually repurchased, and to date, a cumulative 3.7% of the entire supply has been acquired through the buyback program. They believe in the project, they believe in their own token, and they are literally buying it back over and over again. And all of this wallet activity that I'm talking about, I'm not just talking, it is related to the buyback, and it's remainly fully transparent and it can be tracked. They have all this stuff out there. You can go to their communities, you can check the wallets, and you can see it. So the bottom line here is that Open isn't just another listing, it's the start of a new economy for AI, an economy where communities own the models, contributors get paid, and AI becomes a public good. The momentum is here, the adoption is real, and this might just be the perfect time to check out Open token. So, you know, if you guys want to stay ahead of the curve, and I know a lot of you guys keep asking me, what's the next big flex? What's the next big wave? Well, first of all, subscribe to the channel, because once you subscribe and you hit that bell notification, you're going to stay up to date with the first things that come out as soon as I drop them. Drop a like on the video and check out Open's next milestone. Check out what Open is going to be up to. This is only the beginning, and it's just started last month, and the future is completely open right now. All right, this is, like I said, this is not BTC, this is not Ethereum, this is Open we're talking about. Now they've got the model data net, the model factory, the open models, and their open chat, which again you can fully utilize when you explore the test net. The open chat is absolutely beautiful. You know, you got basically your AI at the palm of your hands. It feels like ChatGPT on steroids, and you guys have obviously open models, so there's so much you can do, man. The AI infrastructure behind this platform is absolutely mind-boggling. Their ecosystem is absolutely massive, and they're being backed and supported by some of the biggest names in the space. Like I said, the names are all here. You guys can check out the unbelievable stack of people that are behind this. Their community is absolutely wonderful, man. A bunch of beauties behind this project. They're always out there, they're always connecting with the people. They really care about the crypto space altogether, and they want to push this narrative forward. I just love what these guys are doing, man. Honestly, this is definitely one of the biggest projects I've seen all year. You can check them out on their socials. Over 426,000 followers on their X. That's an absolute behemoth of a community, and they do post a lot, man. They post a lot of updates, they post a lot of stuff that's going on behind the scenes, and you guys can really stay up to date. You guys can see right here, their team is out there, they're giving interviews, they're doing AMAs, they're doing all sorts of speeches and stuff, making sure that you guys stay well informed and ahead of the curve of what is happening with their platform. And obviously over 23,000 members, 1,200 people online, and Openledger on Telegram. Guys, I keep telling you, this is a wave. This is really a wave. I would absolutely check this out. All the links will be down in the description for you guys to check it out for yourselves and make your own well-informed decision. But check it all out, man. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I hope I got my point across to you guys when it comes to AI and blockchain. And if you enjoyed the video, guys, as always, smash 2 big thumbs up on the video. Leave a comment down below what you think about Openledger, what you think about these big plays, and I'll see you boys on the next one. Danny's out for now. Peace.